Hey y'all, I know it's been a little while since I had a video, not just a podcast, but trapping season is upon us. As usual, it slips up, and I have the best of intentions of.
Hey, where's Sawyer?
Where's Chief at?
Yeah. I'm right here. Hello, don't throw out.
There you are.
And then I got this.
That's right.
I don't get y'all.
Get out of here. All right. So we're getting traps ready. I always have the best of intentions of getting traps ready before the summer is over, and it never happens. Of course, it's October and our summer we finally just got out of the 90s.
We try to get armadillos. Like,
We've been getting armadillos on.
Right. Then I get in, then we'll kill.
Exactly.
Yeah. So now we gonna get Daddy.
All right. So I was going to give y'all a little rundown. You know, in the past, I've been a big proponent of speed dip, and I've got some concerns having used it the last couple of years. Hang on, bud. About just the smell. I've actually got a couple I'm borrowing. I got a few of my dad's traps here, and just a half dozen. They've been sealed up. They aired out, and they've been sealed up in a bucket.
Hey, Mom.
And it's pretty faint, but you can still smell a little something on them. So anyway, I've got some concerns as I've read some of the books, and you know, some of the bigger name trappers tend to shy away from speed dips. So what I've got going this year is I've painted all of my traps in Rust-Oleum, just spray can of Rust-Oleum. I know there's some folks that use like a 2-to-1 or a 3-to-1 mixture of Rust-Oleum and like acetone. I thought that would be a good idea because I still like the dips. I just feel like that gets you so much better of a coating. But I feel like overall I've given these traps a pretty good coating. I've let them sit for a week, at least a week, and still get a little bit of paint odor. I don't feel like it's as much as the speed dip, but the next part that I'm gonna do is I have got me some Full Metal Jacket, and that's what I'm gonna go with. I'm going to take those traps now, dip them in the Full Metal Jacket, hang them for 24 hours, and then I'm gonna be ready to go. So as you can see, we've got a vast array of trapping equipment scattered around in all kinds of stages of trying to get cleaned. And so we're working on getting everything ready. So here are a few of the traps that I've had that had been sitting up the longest. I'd already put them actually in the bucket before I decided I was going to go ahead and Full Metal Jacket everything, but I think this is a 2.5 gallon bucket that I got at Lowe's, and it works out pretty good with a gallon of a Full Metal Jacket to get everything, to be able to get the trap submerged in there.
Yeah, so that for a little while. I didn't know what happened to this.
You see what I'm dealing with?
Yeah, I know what happened, but don't listen to Daddy. I'm the cat trapper.
Get out of here.
Yeah, I remember that. He's a baby trapper. Don't listen to him, okay?
And how much stuff are you going to trap this
He
year?
is. I'll catch 100 steps because he is me, okay? So don't listen. Listen to me, so don't talk. So I've been getting God trapped, okay?
Alright, listen.
So I've been putting them in here for
Don't put those in there. Wait.
I don't do it.
No, you're not.
I
You
am.
don't need to get that stuff on you.
I know, I promise. I know.
Do you see that I'm using this? Ease it down in there slowly. Alright, now get it all the way down in there. All the way down in there. Alright, now pull it up. Slowly, slowly, slowly. And now we got to try to shake it off a little bit. Not too much, you don't want to get it on you. I know, that's why you don't shake it too much. Alright, and now we'll hang it up. Good job, thank you, sir.
I'm the boss. Don't listen to Daddy. Okay.
Alright.
Daddy's going. He's not gonna be here. He's just gonna be my kid. I'm crib grown up. So look at me. Look at me, y'all. See? I'm the boss. And I can look at this.
Stop before you knock that camera over, son. Stop.
See? I can kiss and not get oop.
Alright, you're done. Get out of here.
Goodbye.
Now, in keeping up with the spirit of always trying to learn and try something new and keep an open mind, I do have one wild card where the traps and trap prep is concerned. So I've got a dozen brand new MB550s here. Bought them at the National Trappers Convention in Springfield, Missouri. And I'm going to take these right out. They actually don't look that terribly greasy, to be honest with you. Got a little bit of rust on them, a little light rust on them. They actually look pretty good, but I'm going to take these right out of the box, throw a tag and a stake on them, and set them just like they are, and just see, you know, what kind of result. I'm all out of whack now, but just see what that does, you know. Just see what kind of reaction I get from critters, from coyotes especially, to bare metal shoved in the ground with some bait or lure around it. So I'm pretty excited about trying that, seeing how that works. Hopefully it won't backfire on me. But like I've said before, I'm not so sure that as trappers we're not overthinking a little bit of these coyote abilities. So we'll see. May backfire and I might wind up with a bunch of dug up traps. But it's going to be exciting. I hope y'all are looking forward to the season. I certainly am. I know a lot of y'all are, some of y'all anyways, you northern guys, and some of you guys that may be getting after live market coyotes are dangerously close to setting traps if you aren't already setting traps. So best of luck to you if you are, and I'm going to be right behind you quick as I can.